Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to change the animation speed on your Android phone to make it faster. This simple adjustment can make your device feel a lot snappier and improve your overall experience. So let's get right into it. First, go ahead and open the Settings app on your Android phone. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you see Home Screen and Always Display, and tap on it. Now scroll down further and you'll find an option called App Animation Speed. If you don't find it, just use Search Bar Settings and tap App Animation Speed. When you find it, tap on that and you'll be presented with three options: fast, medium, and slow. To make your phone feel faster, select fast. If you prefer a more balanced speed, go with medium. And if you like slower animations, choose slow. Once you've selected your preferred option, exit the settings, and you should immediately notice the change. Try opening apps and switching between screens, and you'll feel how much faster or slower the animations are based on your choice. And that's it. You've successfully changed the app animation speed on your Android phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.